Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Multimorph. Okay, so for anyone who doesn't know, Multimorph is essentially a moldable plastic and it comes in these little pellets that you actually melt in water, in boiling hot water. So we'll give that a go now. And obviously add as many as you need to make whatever it is that you're making. And obviously be super careful with this because you are using really hot water. And you'll see that once it's ready, it'll go from kind of a whitish colour to a transparent colour. And you just get that mixed up. You can feel that it's kind of squidgy. Oh, oh dear. No. Oh, yeah, just be careful with this stuff. Right. And then you can mold it with your hands. Ah, you bastard. Obviously, it's really hot, so. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, I don't know what I'm making here. It's looking quite phallic. No, you can just try making, I don't know, like a spoon or something. It is quite stiff. Oh, I'm using the wrong words. It's easy to use. It's quite hot when you first get it out, though. Right. And then you obviously want to mark. You want to cut, keep it in whatever shape it is you want. So we've got a spoon there. You can leave this to set on its own, or you can dunk it in cold water, and then you instantly get it to set straight away. So we're going to do that now. You just want to dunk it in the cold water, and then what will happen is the plastic will set and get hard, and then it'll keep its shape. So it'll be quite good for mold making, or I don't know, maybe some like making little figurines or something like that. That'll do for now. But as you can see with this part, it's gone really hard and rigid. The handle, I think because it's so thick, it needs a little bit longer to solidify. But you've got like a spoon there. And the good thing about this stuff as well is that you can actually reuse it. So once it's hardened into whatever it is that you want, you can dunk it back in the boiling water and it will become moldable again. So I'll show you that now. I'll just shove that back in, get in. I wouldn't recommend using a knife for this either, I don't know why I am. And also, if you buy the one I have, it comes with colours. Need some scissors. Whoa. So you can add some coloured palettes to it. And I think you only need a couple. And then that will colour the plastic as well. And I suppose the good thing about having it reusable is the fact that obviously the environment and stuff, people are very concerned about plastic at the minute. So I can't imagine it's still the best thing to use for the environment when it comes to it, but at least you can reuse this stuff. The one I got as well, it came with 4 colours, I think. I think I've got red, blue, green and yellow, I think. Right. Take this back out and try not to drop it. Yeah, the only problem is it's quite difficult if your water starts to cool down. It's a bit harder to mold it, but you get there in the end. Right, you can see that it's slowly becoming more coloured it's just taking a long time because my water's starting to cool down. Yeah, it's becoming a bit of a nightmare, but it is colourable. Okay guys, and that's how you use Multimorph. Obviously I would recommend doing it in a kitchen or somewhere where you have access to boiling hot water, because as soon as your water starts to cool down, you're going to have a bit of trouble starting to stretch it out and mould it, because you do need the really hot water for it. But yeah, so this is kind of how you use it. If the water had been hotter, the plastic would have gotten a lot more coloured, but because it started to cool down, I am having a bit of trouble with it. But it is a really handy material to have about. I'm not sure what you could use it for, but I can imagine it would come in handy for moulding, or maybe doing little figurines or little craft projects or something like that. And I think this bag was about, I'm not sure how much it was actually. I'll put a price somewhere on the screen because for the life of us, I have no idea anymore. But I can't remember it being bank breaking or anything like that. I wouldn't recommend it for kids because you are going to be around boiling hot water and you don't want your kids around that. And it is even quite hot once you get it out and start moulding it with your hands, so you do have to be careful. Maybe wear some gloves. But I will drop a link down below on where you can grab yourself some of this, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!